Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linus Pro, and we are in lab 10 to 11, and we are going to bring an application to Foreground. All right, so we'll just go ahead and start up lab. Let's see what we have. We're exploring the process in the background and then bring it back to the foreground. Complete this lab as follows. We are going to run ping command in the background. From the favorite bar, select terminal. At the prompt, type ping localhost and then press enter to launch ping the background. And then ping continues to run in the background and its output is shown on the screen. You can still interact with the console and run other commands in the foreground. Explore the results of running ping in the background. Press Ctrl+C. This will normally stop the ping. However, the command is not recognized because ping is in the background. Type C/etc and press enter. Notice that the path is changed. Type ls and press enter. Notice that the output of the ls is interpassed with the output of ping running in the background. Bring the ping command back to the foreground. Type FG and press enter to bring the ping command back to the foreground. Ping is now running in the foreground and the console will not allow other commands to run. Try to type ls. Notice that the typing is ignored. Press Ctrl+C. Ping command is now terminated since it is in the foreground. Alright, so I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. So let's go ahead and start up lab. So we wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if at the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel because you have a wide variety of video tutorials that will be helpful in your educational journey. So we'll wait for this lab to load. Alright, so this lab has loaded successfully. We'll go ahead and open terminal. Terminal is open, so let's start the process right away. So we type in ping space localhost and then space and then you press enter. So we wait for this to load completely. Okay, so we type in CD and you press enter. Let's see. Okay, command not found. ls press enter. So basically everything I'm typing here, it might appear to be too fast. It's just what was given to us on the left pane that I'm typing in. So in case I'm not explaining everything I'm typing, just look at the tags on the left pane and just follow through and type in everything there. You're going to get this. So just follow through the tasks on the left pane accordingly. Type in all that you asked to type in and press enter at the end. You are going to get this lab successfully. So alright, so we'll go ahead and score lab. Alright, so if you find this video to be helpful, consider sharing so that other students can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.